Yesterday we are discussing about matrices, definition of matrices, types of matrices, addition and subtraction and multiplication of matrices. Once again, I repeating definition of matrix. A matrix is a set or group of numbers arranged in a square or rectangular array closed by two brackets. Example 1 comma minus 1, 4 2 minus 3 0. Here horizontal lines are called rows. That means in example 2, 4 2 is first row and minus 3 0 is second row. These are 4 2 is one horizontal line, minus 3 0 is and second horizontal line. Vertical lines 4 minus 3 is vertical line is called column and 2 0 is second column. Horizontal lines are called columns, vertical lines are horizontal lines are row and vertical lines are called columns. Next, two types of matrices. Matrix matrix can matrix can be denoted by capital A. In that elements are denoted by small abs. Types of matrices. First two matrices column matrix. A matrix contains single column is called column matrix. Uh, number of if it has number of rows, it is not that is not a matter. Matrix has a single column means column matrix, row matrix. A matrix has a single row and number of columns is called the row matrix. Single row is row matrix. Rectangular matrix. Rectangle, rectangular matrix, rows and columns not equal. It look like rectangle. It is called rectangular matrix. Square matrix. Number of rows is equal to number of column is called square matrix. In rectangle, number of rows not equal to number of column is rectangular. Square number of rows equal to number of column is square matrix. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix, all elements zero except to diagonal elements. It's called diagonal matrix. Next, unit matrix. Yesterday we this type of matrices discussed. Unit matrix or diagonal matrix. All elements zero except to diagonal element. That diagonal elements also only identity. That identity element that is single one element. That is a diagonal matrix which one on the main diagonal, other are zeros. That is the identity matrix or unit matrix. Null matrix is all elements are zero is null matrix. Triangular matrix is uh, diagonal above the diagonal matrix or below the diagonal matrix are zero and other elements are elements. Upper triangular matrix are lower triangular. In upper triangular matrix, diagonal upper elements are elements and diagonal below elements are zeros is upper triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix is diagonal below matrix are elements and above elements are zeros. Lower triangular matrix, scalar matrix. Yesterday, this is also we are missing. Diagonal matrix is same like as identity matrix. In that identity matrix, diagonal elements are identity, but scalar matrix diagonal elements are same numbers, identity or other numbers, and all other elements are zero. This is a scalar matrix. Matrix separation, addition matrix, equality of matrix. Those matrices are equal if all elements and size of matrix is same. Then it is equal. Addition of matrix. Addition of two matrices. Addition and subtracting is possible when two matrices size are same. Adding or subtracting uh, same elements. Same elements, the same place elements of first and second matrices. Scalar either scalar means multiply matrix with a single constant is scalar matrix or matrix. Multiplication of matrices. Multi- Multiplication of matrices is possible only when first element, first matrix columns is equal to second matrix rows. Then it is applicable to multiplication. It is possible to multiply two matrices. First row, first matrix row, columns equal to second matrix row. Then it is applicable to, it is possible to multiply two matrices. Matrix multiplication. Suppose this is so matrix multiplication is one of the slightly hard. So we discussing one more time. So here example, matrix operation A11, A12, A13. This is first row, and second row is A21, A22, A23. This was second row of the first matrix, and B11, B12, B21, B22, B31, B32 are second matrix elements. Here, first matrix columns are 3, second matrix rows are 3. Columns equal to rows. Then it is applicable to multiple. So multiplication. Take out the first row, first matrix, first row elements and multiplying with second matrix, first elements. A11, A12, A13 into B11, B21, B31. So A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21 plus A13 into B3. This is the first element of multiplication matrix. Next, A1, first row, first matrix, first row with second matrix, second column. Row with first row with second column. That is A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22 plus A13 into B32. This is second element of. Next, we take first second row of first matrix. Second row of first matrix with first column and second column. Multiply second row with first column and second column. A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21 plus A23 into B31, that equal to, it will give third element of multiplication matrix, and second row with second column, A21 into B12, A22 into B22 plus A23 into B32. It will give last element of multiplication matrix. This is the process of multiplication. AB not generally equal to BA. BN may not be conformable. Matrix operation is complete. Transpose matrix. Next, so we discuss multiplication matrix operation. Assume today we are discussing about matrix operations and transpose of matrices, inverse, how to do inverse operations. Matrix operation. Assume that a matrix A, comma B and C are conformable for the operations indicated. The following are true. A into A, matrix A into identity matrix equal to identity into A equal to A. So identity matrix into matrix is only A matrix. It will the identity into something is something, not identity. Next, A into B is equal to AB into C equal to AB. Associated law exists. A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. Caution. AB not generally equal to BA. A into B not equal to B into A. BA not may not be conformable. So AB not equal to BA because uh, first it has a multiplication has a one property. First element rows equal to second element column. Suppose it does not exist, then it is not do the, there is confirm is not conformable. If AB equal to 0, neither A nor B necessarily 0. If AB equal to AC, B not necessarily C. Matrix operation. AB not generally equal to BA. BA may not be conformable. T, let T equal to 1250 and S equal to 3420. TS, multiply T into S. T into is multiplication. First row with first column, multiplication. 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 0 is 0. 3 plus 0 is 3 only. Next, 1 into first row with second column. 1 into 4 is 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Next, second row with the first column. See here, second row with the first column. 5 into 3 is 15. 0 into 0, 0. 15 plus 0 is 15. Next, 5 into 4 is 20. 0 into 2 is 0, 20. Next, 3, 8, 15, 20. These are ES matrix. Suppose multiply S into T. S into T. S into T. S equal to 3402 1250. First row with first column. 3 4. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 4 into 5 is 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Next, first row with the second column. 3 into 2 is 6. 4 into 0 is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. Next, second row with first column. 0 into 1 is 0. 2 into 5 is 10 here. 0 plus 10 is 10. 0 into 6, 0 into 2 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. So 23, 6, 10, 0. And TS matrix is 3, 8, 15, 20. But ST matrix is 23, 6, 10, 0. That means TS not equal to ST. That means AB not generally equal to BA. BA may not be conformable. Next, AB equal 0. Neither A nor B necessarily 0. Not necessarily 0. Suppose A is 1, 1, 0, 0 and B is 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3. This implies it will give 0, 0, 0, 0. First row with the first column 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Next, 1 into 3 is first row with second column 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. Next, 0 if something is 0, 0, or total is 0. Transpose of a matrix. Next, transpose of a matrix very easy. If we transposing is just transferring rows transfer rows as columns as rows simple way transpose the matrix. If A equal to A 2 by 3 matrix is equal to 2 4 7 5 3 1, the transpose of A is denoted by A transpose is A transpose equal to convert it to rows as column 2 4 7 5 3 1, that is Aij equal to Aij AJ transpose for all and J. Transpose of matrix means convert the rows of the matrix into columns. To transpose, interchange rows and column. That is, transpose of matrix is interchange rows and column. The dimension of A transpose are the reverse of the dimension of A. Dimension of A transpose are the reverse of the dimension of A. If A 2 by 3 matrix is 2 4 7 5 3 1. A transpose is 2 4 7 2 5 4 3 7 1. Here converted the rows as columns. Next, properties of transpose matrix. Properties of transpose matrix is transferring the rows and columns, interchanging rows into columns. A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. AB transpose equal to B transpose plus A B transpose into A transpose. Constant K into A transpose equal to K into A transpose. A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Example 7 3 minus 1 2 minus 5 6 plus 1 5 6 minus 4 minus 2 3 is equal to 7 plus 1 is addition of two matrices 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Minus 1, 6 is 5. Add and second row elements. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. 6 plus 3 is 9. So transpose of A plus B transpose is converted into rows as column. First column 8, 8, 5, and second column minus 2, minus 7, 9. So suppose check that A transpose elements. A transpose element A convert the A matrix as column matrix. So rows matrix A element rows are columns. 7 first column of A transpose 7 3 minus 1 2 minus 5 6, and B transpose matrix is 1 5 6 minus 4 minus 2 3. Add these two. 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. 1 minus 1 plus 6 is 5. 6 plus 3 is 9. Same. A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Property satisfied. A plus B, AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. So example, so AB transpose A equal to 110, 0, 2, 3, and B equal to 112. Multiply both. First row with the first column. Here, second matrix has a single column, that is column matrix. First row with column 1 into 1 is 1. Place 1 into 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 2. Plus 0 into 2 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. Next, second row with the first column. 0 into 1 is 0. 2 into 0. Here 2 into 1 is 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2, 8 is the AB, AB, AB matrix. And B transpose, A transpose are here. And 2, 8, 2, 8. Transport it to 8 as 2, 8 column matrix is converted to transpose as row 2, 8 matrix. Next, B transpose into A transpose. Here B transpose is uh, column 1 1 1 1 2 column matrix converted as a row matrix 1 1 2, and A converted as A transpose as 1 1 0 0 2 3. Multiply these two. First row with first column 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 into 0 0, 1 plus 1 is just 2 2. Next, multiply with second row. 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 plus 3 6 to 8. Therefore, AB whole transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. Matrix, symmetric matrix. A square matrix is symmetric if it is equal to its transpose. So transpose and A, see, those are equal. This type of matrix is called symmetric matrix. A square matrix is symmetric if it is equal to transpose. A equal to A transpose. So example, A equal to AB, AB, BD. Convert it. A transpose equal to convert AB row as column AB and BD row as column BD. So AB, BD. So here A equal to A transpose. A equal to A transpose is called symmetric. A square matrix is symmetric if it is A equal to A transpose. Simple definition. When the original matrix is square, transposition does not affect the elements of the main diagram. If it is original matrix is square matrix, transpose does not affect the elements of the main array. If we apply transpose, diagonal elements does not change in square matrix. The identity matrix I, diagonal matrix D, and scalar matrix K are equal to their transpose since the diagonal is unaffected. Identity matrix has only diagonal element. It is not unaffected. Identity matrix I A diagonal matrix D. Diagonal matrix has only diagonal elements, other elements are zero. It is now A transpose and A is same. And scalar matrix. Scalar matrix are is similar like as identity matrix. So diagonal elements are same, single elements, and other elements are zero. It is also A transpose A is same or equal. Inverse of a matrix. Matrix operation. Inverse of a matrix. Consider a scalar k. The inverse is the reciprocal or division of 1 by the scalar. Example, k equal to 7. The inverse of k or k power minus 1 is 1 by k is 1 by 7. The division of matrix is not defined since they are maybe AB not equal AB equal to AC while B not equal to C. Division of matrix is not once again. Division of matrix is not defined since they may be AB equal to AC, but by B not equal to C. Instead, matrix inverse is used. The inverse of a square matrix A, if it is exists, is the unique matrix A inverse, where A inverse equal to A inverse into A equal to I. Example: A is the 2 by 2 matrix, that is square matrix. Elements are 3, 1, 2, 1. A inverse is simple. Interchange diagonal elements and symbol change the other elements. Interchange diagonal elements. Here, 3, 1 is diagonal elements. A diagonal element 3, 1. As interchange 3, 1 as 1, 3, and other things change the other symbol, other element symbol. 1, 1, 2 is minus 1, minus. This is the A inverse. Because 1 minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 3. So multiply A and A inverse, it will give identity matrix. A into A inverse, A inverse into A, it will give identity matrix. Example, take, check it. Examples. 1 into minus 1 is first row. First row with the first column of second matrix. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 1 into 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 2 is plus 1. Okay, next. First row with the second. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Next. Second row with the first column. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. 3 into 2 is plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0. Next. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 3 into 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is plus 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. It will give identity. A into previous property. A into A transpose equal to I. Next to A transpose into A is also I. Check it. Mm, A into A transpose into A equal to I. A into A transpose is also I. Check it that. A is 3, 1, 2, 1. A transpose is 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 1 into minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 into first row with second column. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 1 into 3 is plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. Next, second row with first column. 2 into 1 is 2. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Next, second row with second column. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 1 into 3 is plus 3. 3 minus 2 is plus 1. Matrix operation properties of inverse. AB whole. AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. A inverse OA whole inverse equal to A. A transpose whole inverse equal to A transpose into A inverse into whole transpose. A transport inverse equal to A inverse into transport. A inverse transport. Kn inverse equal to 1 by K into A inverse. A square matrix that has an inverse is called non-singular matrix. A matrix that does not have an inverse is called a singular matrix. A square matrix have inverse except when the determinant is 0. When the determinant of a matrix is 0, the matrix is singular. Here, singular and non-singular matrices determinant of a matrix. Before going to determinant, we have to know the singular and non-singular. When the determinant of a matrix is 0, the matrix is singular. When the determinant of a matrix is not equal to 0, then it is called non-singular matrix. A square matrix, a square matrix that has inverse is called non-singular matrix. A square matrix is inverse matrix. Conformly, it is non-singular matrix. A, a matrix that does not have an inverse is called a singular matrix. Square matrix have inverse except when the determinant is 0. Determinant 0, totally this matter says that singular matrix has determinant 0. Determinant 0 is nothing but there is no inverse exist. Determinant of a matrix. Before going to inverse, we have to know the determinant. To compute the inverse of a matrix, the determinant is required. Each square matrix A has a unit scalar value called the determinant of A, denoted by dta or mod A. If A equal to 1 to 6 5, then mod A equal to mod of 1 to 6 5. Once again, determinant of a matrix. To compute the inverse of a matrix, the determinant is required. Each square matrix A has a unit scalar value. So, determinant give the single value. Total matrix is determinant give the single value. Each square matrix A has a unit scalar value called the determinant. A denoted by dA or mod A. If A equal to 1 to 6 5, then mod A equal to 1 to 6 5, mod 1 to 6 5. Find the determinant. If A is a single element, one class, then determinant is defined as the value of the element. That is mod A equal to A equal to A. If A is n class, any determinant may be defined in terms of order n minus 1 or less. I will give you examples of determinant in next class. Today we are starting